So, it's kind of weird because I know you as Danny Studio from YouTube, but a lot of people watching are probably more familiar with your Instagram stuff now, which is pretty cool.
Like a whole new wave kind of came in once like the animation started taking off, and it's a wave that like I feel like I'm really clicking with. Like they're just really into my style of art, which of course like, you know, I'm all about, but they're really into like, I don't know, like my sad boy type vibes. It's a cool audience, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, so like how did you like start out? How did you like get the idea to be like, I should make some videos for Instagram?
Yeah, I mean, so it was like I kind of stumbled into it in every sense of the word. It all kind of started when I had this like dumb 3 a.m. idea, like while I'm brushing my teeth sort of thing, about an animation where a guy experiences a snake. The snake is really trying to convince the guy that snakes do not have legs, and this guy refuses to believe it, which naturally kind of evolved into being like a political cartoon of sorts. It came out nice, and I really liked it, so I'm like, I'm gonna throw this up on Instagram. It kind of sat stagnant for like a week, you know, like, you know, got the same amount of views as any one of my other Instagram posts. Then one day, it just blew up overnight. Kind of said like, yo, this big meme account posted your thing, and like your video, and I was like, this never happened to me for the entire, like, I've been posting content online for a decade, and that's never happened to me. I've never went viral. I've never had a big account repost my shit. This was the first time, and it was amazing. Kind of that afternoon, I'm like, I decided, like, I like, okay, like, this is what I'm doing now. Like, this is it. Like, obviously this works.